What's up guys, it's Tony with Tier 1 Auto Haus. We just finished up some work on this Lamborghini SVJ Roadster. One of our good customers, he just picked up this car. It is a 2020, so it already had PPF from the previous owner. He wanted us to go through the entire vehicle and look at the condition of the PPF and take care of what needed to be taken care of. In addition to that, he wanted this vehicle ceramic coated because here in Las Vegas, you need the extra benefits of ceramic coating whether you have PPF or not. It makes it super easy to maintain. On top of adding a little bit of extra protection. What we use is Expel, and Expel just came out with a premium V2 for their ceramic coating, and that one acts a little bit different, but it's actually a lot better. This vehicle came with pretty light tint, so he wanted it replaced with something a little bit darker, and being here in Las Vegas, you need really quality tint. We went ahead and installed Expel XR Plus window film, which provides up to 98% heat rejection as well as 99% UV rejection. In addition to that, we went ahead and blacked out all of the reflectors on the front bumper and the rear bumper with Expel tinted paint protection film. The difference between Expel tinted paint protection film versus just like a typical tinted film is it looks better, it lasts longer, and it's more durable. This is a super cool car with an amazing color on it, so let's take it out and get some pictures and some rollers. And we are going to get some content with it. So we're gonna go to Waldorf Astoria, which is a residence here in Las Vegas. Their little front valet area looks super nice, and they're always super good to us and let us film there. So we're gonna get some pictures there.
Yeah, let's see if we don't get kicked out.
I don't think they will. They're usually good to us. So we try to go down there to the Waldorf Astoria, and usually they're super cool about us getting content down there, but I guess the big boss was there, so we had to leave. But luckily, we have the Aria, which is literally built right on top of Waldorf Astoria, if you want to look at it that way. This is Waldorf Astoria right there. Then we have all of Aria right here. And everything about the Aria just looks super, super nice. So it was only right to bring the SVJ right here.